Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create collections on Shopify or how to add product to collections on Shopify. The first thing you need to do once on your Shopify admin page is tap on products in the top left hand corner. After you have selected products, you are going to see collections. You are going to tap on that. Then from here, all you have to do is simply tap on Create Collection in the top right hand corner, or you could tap on Home Page right here. Then after you have tapped on Home Page, what you'll need to do next is simply scroll down and you could search for the products that you would like to add. So you can tap on Browse. Then you will tick the product that you would like to add to the collection on your home page. Then tap Done. After you have done that, you are going to simply scroll up and you are going to tap on View. And this will bring you back to your home page. And from here, you can see the collection right here. And that's it. And if you would like to edit the collection or the placement of the collection on your home page, all you have to do is simply tap on Online Store. Then you're going to see right here themes, and what I want you to do is simply tap on Customize. After selecting Customize, you will be led to this page, and from here, let's say we want to move our collection up more. All you have to do is right here, you're going to simply tap on Add Section. You can see the featured collection right there. If you didn't see it, you could tap on Add Section. But now to move it, all you have to do is simply tap on it. Right where you see the 4 dots or the 6 dots better yet. And you could simply drag it. So if you would like to place it up here, you could place it up there. Then you'll tap on Save so you can see that the collection is placed at the top. So you can move it to wherever you want. Then you'll tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.